Happening in Fulton. Fancy moves are just one way seniors are staying active at Fulton County's Helene Mills Senior Multipurpose Facility. This is an open house to invite prospective family members to learn more about the enrichment, nutrition, and educational opportunities, like line dancing, pottery, piano, gardening, water classes, and there's an open gym.
Being a member of this facility allows people to stay connected to the community, to stay engaged mentally, and on some aspects or some parts spiritually as well. It allows them to get outside of themselves in a way, as well as get outside of their house or their homes and participate in activities to keep them mentally strong and physically strong.
The county's 4 multi-purpose facilities are for seniors 55 years and up. There is no cost for Fulton County residents and a $100 annual fee for folks living outside the county lines.
Now that I've come and found out what is here for us, I'm excited. I'm excited in more than one way outside of what's here available for seniors, because the art and the swim, I love to swim. I mean, there's things here that's me that I want to do and I want to be a part of.
Here at the multipurpose facilities that make sure that you're able to be creative and stay immersed in what the community has to offer. They have an opportunity to maintain their independence, but to also interact with others who are in their age bracket, so to speak. And there are also opportunities for you to maintain a healthy lifestyle, to make sure that you're engaging in the latest tech or the latest art technique, if you will.
That is just some of what is happening in Fulton. To stay connected to us, follow us on Facebook, like us on Instagram and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.